I'll be using the Angelus flat white and flat black to paint this leather coaster that's got hand cut stripes in it. So what I'll do is I'm going to start with the white and do the background. Once I've got that where it suits me, I'll come in with the black and do the black stripes. So this will be black and white. I've got a couple brushes right here readily available, and a piece of leather if I need to kind of dap it on there to clean my brush up a little bit if I've got too much paint on it or whatever. So anyway, I'll get started with the white and do the background. This will be somewhat time consuming to get it where it looks pretty neat. So I'll show you just a little sample of doing the background and then finish it up and come back and start the black stripes. What I plan on doing is putting on a couple light coats rather than one heavy coat. Okay, continue to fill in the background there and then come back in a little while. And it's going to take quite a while actually to get that background painted, so it will be a couple day project probably.